Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss some questions from Module 1, Introduction to AI. AI and ELE, Module 1, short answer questions. So please look into these questions very carefully. You could also take photos if you require. 1. What is the main goal of artificial intelligence? The main goal of artificial intelligence is to create machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes abilities such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. So, artificial intelligence, along with human beings, will create abilities much better. This is the goal of artificial intelligence. Now, what is the key difference between narrow AI and general AI? Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task or narrow range of tasks. Example includes voice assistant, recommendation systems, or image recognition software. So let's say your face is recognized. That's all it has to do. This is a narrow AI or weak AI. Now what is a general AI or strong AI? Here it is a form of AI that possesses human-like cognitive abilities to perform an intellectual task that a human being can. So maybe let's say you are giving your blood pressure and other vital statistics to a machine. It acts as it checks with other information from other sources and gives you a diagnosis. I mean, this sort of thing is what a generative AI or a general AI is believed to do. Now, this is still in the hypothetical stage. Now, give two examples of how AI is used in healthcare. Now, AI can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs and CT scans to detect diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's disease. And in drug discovery, AI can accelerate the process of identifying potential drug candidates and predict their effectiveness, reducing the time and cost of drug development. So, depending on the person who is being administered the drug, the AI can predict whether that person, giving the drug to that person, will be effective or not. Next is what is known as the Turing test. What is the Turing test? Here, this particular test was developed by Alan Turing so as to evaluate a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to or is indistinguishable from that of a human being. So if a human evaluator cannot reliably tell the difference between a machine's response and a human's response in a conversation, the machine is said to have passed the test. So if the machine's ability is almost the same as a human intelligence, then this particular machine has passed the test. And this is the purpose of the Turing test. Now name two AI-powered tools for English language learning. One is Duolingo and another is Speech Ace. Now how does Duolingo use AI to aid learning? Duolingo employs AI in several ways. You can have personalized learning. You can have adaptive testing. So suppose you're a weak learner, based on that it will give you easy questions and thereby help you to improve your correction rates. And once you are able to give solutions well, then it takes you on a higher level. Then it also has chatbots and conversation practice wherein you practice with a chatbot, and it is also helps you to understand your pronunciation and help you to pronounce words well. And what is the function of Speech Ace? The same thing. It's an AI-powered tool that focuses on improving pronunciation with real-time feedback. So suppose you speak a word and your pronunciation is not 100% correct, it helps you pronounce better. Now what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. It enables computers to learn from the data without being explicitly programmed. So the data that is given to the computers, it learns from that, and that particular sort of learning is known as machine learning. How does AI help in robotics? AI plays a crucial role in robotic capabilities. It can navigate and object recognition. It can make decisions. Then nowadays you have human robot interaction, especially for speech recognition. Robots can communicate and interact with humans more effectively. And you also have automated robots where repetitive or dangerous tasks can be done by AI robots. And using machine learning, the robots learn from the experience and improve their performance over time. What is NLP? NLP is known as natural language processing. This is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. So it will understand the language and then it will interpret and also generate human language. Next is the paragraph questions, and in paragraph questions, maybe you could take a photo of this, explain the concept of adaptive learning in AI tools for language learning. Next is how AI is being used in the field of computer vision. So nowadays when you go to common stores, you have machines which read your eyes and give you a prescription. These are all using AI. Discuss the role of AI in natural language processing. So there also you have Siri and Alexa and Bixby and all those which interpret your voice commands, understands and gives you information. Maybe you can filter spam email, you can generate text for reports. This is all using natural language processing. That is, it understands your voice, it interprets it as data, and then it gives you back the form that in the form that you require. Explain how machine learning is different from other AI. Machine learning actually distinguishes itself from other AI by its focus and enabling computers to learn from the data without explicit programming. Now, what are the ethical considerations surrounding the development of artificial intelligence? There are lots of concerns, especially biases. AI sometimes can have biases when you're training the data. And if you train the data in that way, then there will be some discriminatory outcomes. Then the AI could be autonomous weapon systems, and that would be very dangerous. But at the same time, it is also crucial to develop ethical guidelines and regulations that prioritize fairness, transparency, and human well-being. And the essay question could be discuss the potential of artificial intelligence on the future of work and society. So these repetitive and routine tasks can be reduced. Data entry, lots of data that is entered can be number crunched. It can be used to analyze data. However, upskilling and reskilling initiatives have to be done because many of the middle-aged people are not very fluent in AI, and thereby they need a little bit of upskilling or even reskilling. And beyond the workplace, AI nowadays extends to a lot of different aspects of the society. Soon there will be smart cities powered by AI. Then economic implications of AI are also very complex. So we have to harness the benefits of AI. At the same time, we'll also have to prioritize ethical development. So we have to invest in education, we have to invest in training, and we also have to foster a society that has both inclusivity and adaptability. The key lies in ensuring that AI serves humanity rather than the other way around, shaping a future where technology and human well-being coexist harmoniously. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe.